now I will be going on with the letter G. Okay, now you have to look carefully on the letter G. Okay, so look here, come on everybody, look here. I'm going on with my upper stroke. My upper stroke should be thin, and simply I'm going to make the curve of the letter A, or you can say for the letter C, I'm making the curve same as the letter C, as this is my downstroke, so it should be thick. Again, my upper stroke should be thin. Okay, now the letter G, we need to go on with this curve. Okay, we have to go on with this curve. So simply we are going on like this. Okay, so as this is my downstroke, this is nothing, I have just drawn it simple. Okay, so as this is my downstroke, so again I'm going on with the downstroke. Okay, I'm creating a thick downstroke, and this is my upper stroke, so it should be thin. Again, when I'm coming downwards, this is my downstroke, so it should be thick. Okay, now I'm going on with the letter I. Okay, so letter I is nothing but so simple. Okay, yes, letter I is nothing but very simple. Look, I have to go on with my upper stroke, and again the second curve is my downstroke, so it have to be thick. Okay, and just putting a circle over here. Yes, thin upper stroke, thick downstroke, and then thin upper stroke. Yes, my letter I again is so simple. And I'm filling again color in this. Okay, now I'm not wasting my more time. Okay, so sorry if I have not seen your letter. Now I'm just going on with the next letter. And the next letter is going to be the letter K. Okay, because we are done with I, J, and the letter is going to be K. Okay, the next letter is going to be K. Come on, everybody. Now look here, okay? So for the letter K, again I'm going on with my upper stroke, and when I'm coming downwards, so my this downstroke should be thick, and then again upper stroke, downstroke. So this is my downstroke, and I'm simply going on with my curvy word. Okay, so as this is the downstroke, so my curvy word is going to be thick. Okay, now just let me fill the color so that will be more clear for you. Okay, so now I'm going on with my letter L. Okay, so now you have to cope up with me because I'm increasing my speed because I have to go on with the time also. Okay, so look, letter L, upstroke. When you are coming downwards, okay, so your this stroke should be thick because this is a downstroke. Again, when you are going upwards, so it should be thin. Okay, thin downstroke, thin upper stroke, thick downstroke, again thin upper stroke. Okay, again the letter L is also so simple. Yes. So M. Okay, so now you have to carefully look at my letter M. Look, I'm going on with my upper stroke. So sorry. Yes, look, upper stroke, and when I'm coming downwards, so this is my downstroke. So this is my downstroke. So but obviously it have to be thick. Again upper stroke, again downstroke. So right from the top, this is my downstroke. So I'm making it thick. Again upstroke and the downstroke. So right from the hair, this is my downstroke. So I'm going to make it thick. This is my letter M. Okay, look at my letter M. Okay, now you have to do letter N by yourself. Okay, everybody, because the letter M and the letter N both are similar. So come on, try the letter N. Come on, N, okay? Now come on, the letter O. The letter O is so easy, just as the letter C. Okay, letter O is easy, just as the letter C. You just have to make your simple letter O. Okay, and as this is the downstroke, so you have to make it thick. As this is the downstroke, so you have to make it thick, and as this is the upper stroke, so simply it is going to be thin. Yes, my letter O is so simple. So letter P is nothing, but again, a simple word. Look, I'm going on with my upper stroke, and simply I'm going to make a tall down stroke. Okay, a tall down thick stroke. Simply going on with the upper stroke, down stroke, and this U curve. Okay, so as this is my thick, as this is my down stroke, so it have to be thick. Okay, and when I'm going upwards, so I will merge it with it. This is my upstroke. Okay, this is my upstroke, so it have to be thin. I started with my thin upper stroke and then going on with my thick down stroke and then simply going on with my C curve as the simple cursive P. Come on, everybody, look here. Letter Q is so interesting. Come on. Going on with my upper stroke should be thin. Simply going on with my C curve as this is my downstroke. So it should be thick. This is my upper stroke. It should be thin. Okay. Now I'm going to make a downstroke and the opposite F. Okay. This is my F. Our letter Q is like somehow like F. Okay. As this is my downstroke, so I'm going on with my thick stroke. And then again, this is my upper stroke, so it should be thin. Starting with the thin upper stroke, thick down stroke, thin upper stroke, thick down stroke, and then the thin upper stroke. Okay. Letter Q is so interesting.